I love making zucchini noodles when I feel like something a little bit lighter than pasta, or I need an alternative to noodles if I'm eating lower carb or cutting down on calories. All you need are zucchini, obviously, and a spiralizer ideally, but you can also use a regular peeler to do this. Vegetable spiralizers come with a variety of attachments, and I use angel hair to make thin noodles, but you can also make sort of more pappardelle-like noodle shapes. I personally like garlicky noodles, and all you really have to do is warm them up. You don't actually cook the zucchini noodles because they get really watery and soggy. You put them in the pan, saute them in whatever seasoning or flavoring you have going on, and once they're hot, remove them ASAP. They're quick and easy to make, and they go with practically anything. I hope you enjoy this recipe.